Welcome back. Today we're looking at a new feature in Undet for Revit. 360-degree panorama positions and Sync Browser MMS, built specifically for mobile mapping data like Trimble MX60 and NavVis VLX. With your Undet project already loaded in Revit, we'll load the 3D point cloud. This gives us accurate scan positions to sync with. To see your panorama capture positions, open Scan Manager. Here's the 360 button. Click it to reveal your scan positions. Now click Call Browser and select any position marker. Undet Browser opens directly to that panoramic view. Now for the more powerful version. Click Sync Browser MMS. Then click anywhere on the point cloud itself. No need to find a marker. Undet Browser opens again, but this time it gives you 3 nearby views to choose from. Pick whichever angle shows the area most clearly. Once you're in Undet Browser, you can freely pan around the view and jump between nearby scan positions to explore the site. From here, there's more you can do. Use this slider to blend between intensity and full RGB color. Need to mark something precise? Click Draw Points, then click anywhere in this view. That point is sent straight back into your Revit model as a reference marker. Back in Revit, you'll see that point in place. You can use it as a visual reference when positioning a wall, helping you model accurately against real photographic detail, not just the point cloud. Last but not least, View Sync. Enable this in Undet Browser, and your Revit view and Undet Browser view move together. As you navigate one, the other follows. Point cloud and panoramic image side by side, even matched against your 3D mesh in Revit. That's 360 panorama positions in Sync Browser MMS in Undet for Revit. Faster navigation, accurate modeling reference, and a real photographic record of your site, all without leaving Revit. Thanks for watching.